So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the MSI motherboard driver. So first you have to come this site www.msci.com, this official website, so you can download the required driver. You can see the right hand side search icon, just click on it, then enter the model number of your motherboard, then hit enter. So B860M gaming plus Wi-Fi, so this one, so just click, then click on support. By default, select the driver and download. Scroll down, select the driver, then select the operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system driver download and installations process same. Scroll down. So this is chipset driver. So first download. When you click to download, it will download in the download box. So if you use different browser but same process, then VGA driver. So VGA driver, graphic driver, display driver, you can say the onboard VGA driver and click to download. Then audio driver. So SD, this is universal driver and this is size. Click to download. Then LAN driver. So Bluetooth driver, download. Then network killer, download. After that, this is all download, start and show all on click. So it is start downloading. So final guys, downloaded our required driver. So now we have to install one by one. So first Wi-Fi driver, double click to open Intel Wi-Fi driver, and then open UWD, open Win64, and then you can see installer and wireless setup. Just double click to launch. It will extract and now it will start background installations, and then next I agree that this is term and conditions, and then install. Click for yes, so require the administrator rights for the installations, so just click for yes. It will take some time and depend about your system. So you can see install has been successfully, installation has been completed successfully, and then click to finish and then close. Now you can see this is Bluetooth driver, so just double click to open same, open this folder Intel Bluetooth driver, and then you can see the Intel. I just double click to launch for this setup and wait few seconds to open. Now you can see the preparations of Bluetooth wireless, and then next same, click to yes and click to next. Now so I already installed it, that's why it's coming. So you just click to typical and then click to install. Now you can see there is status will be start. Then also required this yes or no for the administrative installation, so click on yes. Now you can see it is started. Now you can see completed the Intel wireless Bluetooth, and then finish. Close this. Then guys, network driver. So network driver, just open it, open, and this is driver, you can see. Okay, so we need to this click on setup.exe, then for yes, then next to installed. Okay, so it is installed automatically. then yes, and finish. Then guys, next, this is Realtek audio driver. So open this, open, scroll down, find out setup, double click to launch, then click to yes. Next, next, then click no, and then finish. Then close it. Then next, you can see the VGA driver, VGA driver, display driver, graphic driver, you can say. So double click on board graphica. So then open this. Then you can see this is graphic, and this all driver requires software also in there. Okay, so back and installer.exe. So double click to launch. Click on yes. Now the Intel graphic driver installing, it will work in the background in the CMD command. So you can see the please wait. So might be it will take two time to installations, because you can see this is size is very high. Bring install, completing data, and you just next to, and you need come this process to done. Okay, and then close it. Then chipset driver, double click to open. You can see Intel chipset driver, double click to launch for .exe. Then next, accept, install, and then click for yes. Now you can see this is installing. So successfully installed, and then finish. After all completed, then guys restart your system and then check it. Okay.